Brahmin Crocodile embossed handbags. Are they worth it? It's too plasticky for me. Given the nature of exotic looking leather, it has to have a heavy finish on top or cuts my connection to sense the feel or to see the grain underneath. Overall, nice looking bag. We're gonna see what kind of grain or just a split suede underneath, trying to remove this. So as you see, there is quite a bit of plastic acrylic finish coming off. You don't need a nice clean grain to make a finish like this, so you can go with pretty low grade grain selections. Tanning of the leather is pretty sturdy. I believe 6 square foot of leather should be enough to make a bag like this. The leather cost shouldn't be more than $40 in this article. It's one of the better looking crocodile embossing I've seen on cowhide. It's mediocre craftsmanship, mediocre accessories. It's not a super complex design. Putting this bag together should be around $70 in my estimate. I paid $325 for this bag. Given my estimate of $110, it seems like it's fairly well priced. It's pretty good leather choice and nicely done embossing of crocodile pattern. The design is a classic handbag design. Craftsmanship is above average. Quality of the accessories are the same. If you're into exotic looking bags but you don't want to spend the full price for the real exotic skins, that might be a good option since it's fairly priced. It's entirely leather, all the accents inside outside, the little details they use made out of same leather.